Many traders like to work together in a group for support. Your Nadex Refer a Friend code can be the gift that keeps on giving. When you refer a friend to Nadex, you earn $100 for every successful referral, up to a maximum of 10 people. And each of your friends gets $100 too. He gets $100, she gets $100, you get $100. Everybody gets $100.
Yay!
To participate, log into the Nadex platform, click Account in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Refer a Friend. From here, you can copy your personal Refer a Friend link that you text or email to your friends or share through social media. Next, make sure your friends sign up using your link. This ensures you both get your bonus. Then, remind each of your friends to place 5 trades within 30 days of opening the account to complete the offer and receive the bonus credit to each of your accounts. If you get 10 of your friends to join, it would be an extra $1,000 to you. And that's it. Treat yourself and your friends. Start sharing your Refer a Friend code today.